In this section we will see the concept that is beyond binary classification, which is also known as multi-class or multinomial classification. So multi-class or multinomial classification is the problem of classifying instances into one or more classes, into one of the three or more classes. So classifying instances into one of the two classes is called as binary classification. What is multi-class? Multi-class is the problem of classifying instances into one of the three or more classes, and classifying the instances into one of the two classes is called as binary classification, because we are trying to classify them in between two classes. As some classification algorithms naturally permit the use of more than two classes, others are by nature binary algorithms. These can be turned into multinomial classifiers by the variety of strategies. So that is multinomial logistic regression we will see, which is based on the concept that the classification algorithm naturally permits the use of more than two classes, and that's why they are turned into the multinomial classifiers by the variety of strategies. So multinomial logistic regression, so it is a classification method that generalizes logistic regression to multi-class problems, that is with more than two possible discrete outcomes. That it generalizes the logistic regression to multi-class problems, means they are basically doing what they are doing with the more than two possible discrete outcomes. So it is the model which is used to predict the probabilities of the different possible outcomes of a categorically distributed dependent variables given set of independent variables that may be real value, binary value, or categorical value. So multinomial logistic regression is used when dependent variable in question is nominal, means that is equivalently categorical, or we can say it falls into any one of the set of categories that cannot be ordered in any meaningful way. So it is a particular solution to the classification problem that assumes the linear combination of features and parameters can be used to determine the probability. So some examples that we can consider, that which major will a college student choose if we are giving their grades and likes and dislikes, which blood type does a person have, giving the results of various diagnostic tests, which candidate will person vote for given particular demographic characteristics, so and so on. So these are the statistical classification problems. They all have in common a dependent variable to be predicted that comes from one of the limited set of items that cannot be meaningfully ordered, as well as set of independent variables, which are also known as the explanators or features, and they are used to predict the dependent variable. So multinomial logistic regression is a particular solution to the classification problem that assumes that the linear combination of the observed features and some problem specific parameters are used to determine the probability of outcome of the dependent variable. So the best values of the parameters for the given problems are used to determine some training data, that is some people for whom both the diagnostic test results and blood types are known, or some examples of known words that are being spoken. So this is all about the multi-class or multinomial classification, which is basically the problem of classifying instances into one of three or more classes, and it permits us to be turned into multinomial classifiers by the variety of strategies. So it is all about the multinomial classification and the logistic regression, which is also called as the beyond binary classification. So this is all about classification and regression, which is which was completely part of your unit 2. From next section we will start our unit 3, which is basically based on evaluating machine learning algorithms. Thank you.